Okay, today we're going to do another dictation for our suffix ed. Remember, suffix ed has three sounds. It can say id, it can say d, and it can say t. Okay, all right, you can write the words along with me or just watch as I write. Number one is wilted, wilted. The root word is wilt, w-i-lt, wilt. Wilt. Wilt plus id makes the word wilted. Number two is the word buzzed. Buzzed. The root word is buzz. B-uzz. B-uzz. We need a double Z after a short vowel. Buzz. To make it say buzzed, we're going to add our ed says d to make the word buzzed. Number three is the word fished. Fished. You see we have a digraph here. So my base word or root word is fish. 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 To make it the word fished, we're going to add ed says t. Now we have the word fished, like I fished yesterday. Number four is grilled. Grilled. See a blend at the beginning. My root word is grill. 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 I need a double L after the short I. I want to make the word grilled. So I'm going to add an ed says d. Now I have the word grilled. Grilled. And number five is the word pressed. Pressed. The root word is press. Press. So we have a blend. Press. We need a double S after a short E. Press. I want to make the word say pressed. So I'm going to add an ed says t. Pressed. Now I have the word pressed. Let's read through our words we wrote together. Ready? Wilted, buzzed, fished, grilled, pressed.